our livelihood, our man settlement, all are this area. But our people are cannot result, maximum result, but minimum result cannot earn there because our biggest country, our largest country, their livelihood, high, expensive livelihood, the total environment is high, উত্তপ্ত গরম global warming. But result our we want to Nepal, Bangladesh. So, but here is a facilities we live upper stream, our prices we live downstream. So Nepal is a role to not only Asia Pacific, worldwide, because Bangladesh crisis is affected Nepal by on the times. When Bangladesh under attack, then Nepal under upon a time. So Nepal people understood that the climate vulnerable is not crisis to Bangladesh. It's a crisis to global. So we want to, we are people. We live the long term. Our generation live here. So our soul is on. We are equal. So equally we live the world. And we are proud our crisis to join our people live in the right. So we help for you, Nepali peoples and Nepal organizer, Nepal soldier. I want to, we are way to long time collaboration. Thank you all. Thank you.